Hello, and welcome to another one. It's another day, another dollar. Maybe not, but yeah. Let's get straight into it. Today's gonna be a super short one, because I've got daddy duties downstairs, and it's been a hectic day with housework, so I haven't been able to do much. But the more I talk, the less time I'm able to actually work. So let's go. Um, Cell expanded variable and assign the value of calling replace on our range expanded variable and pass it the cell regex and an empty callback function to take the match parameter. Okay. Cool. So we're starting to use some of these bits and bobs. We know our replace takes what we want to replace, and here we're given a regular expression for the cell, and we're going to replace it with something. Our callback function will take match as the argument. So cool. Our callback function will now return a result of calling id to text with match as the argument. That regular expression. So you'll need to call to uppercase on match before passing it to id to text. Okay. Let's just check how to use this bad boy. Okay, I can just say, yeah, to uppercase, string to uppercase. Cool. So, oh, I'll call actually use an implicit return. Okay, so they had removed that. Cool. And I need to remove that. Cool. So when I put in the callback function, I didn't make it implicitly returning. I just put in a callback function. But alas, they'd made it such and expected it to be such, which I guess is fine. Yeah, it's fine. Infix is a mathematical operator that appears with, excuse me. You'll need to map the symbols. Functions declare an infix to function by one sign an empty object. Oh. Okay, so now we're going to start dealing with, so you actually put in like something. How do we know what it is that you want to do? Is it the division? Is it median? Is it averages? And then, yeah, cool. So, I'm going to make that an empty object. Makes sense. I think I still haven't got my head around objects fully. Like, is it, do I have to do the key value pair? And what does that represent for each element? Yeah, well, I've not used objects enough. I think I need to use it a bit more. But alas, let's go. Oh, sorry, we jumped to the next one. Object values do not have to be primitive types like a string or a number. They can also be functions. Okay, give you a function object a property plus that property should be a function that takes an x and y and implicitly returns the sum of those two parameters. Okay. So I'm going to say plus I think I can do. Can I? No. I need a brackets. I need a brackets. Yeah. Okay, so let's do this. So I want to say x, y, and implicitly return x plus y. Yeah, okay. Okay. Cool. So we're going to do a similar thing. Oh. Sorry guys. Head is not working. But this time we're going to make it minus. And that's going to be a minus as well. Cool. I think I'm going to call it after this because these are fairly straightforward. Cool. Yeah, I'm going to call it there and run away. So I was listening to just a random no, I was listening to a podcast. I can't remember which one, but they were talking about an idea from the Lazy Genius, and it was effectively what this is. It was the committing to. So one way of getting your goals, reaching your goals. Was it? I think it's the latest podcast to join the Office Ladies Network. And it was just this idea of like committing to something almost ridiculously small, and that being a gateway into actually getting done the things that you want to get done. So she said she wanted to do yoga every day, so she committed to just doing a downward dog every day. Like that was her commitment. I'm going to do a downward dog every day. And downward dog is, as she described it, literally just hands and feet on the floor and then stick a bum in the air. And that's all that she had committed to do. But then eventually she starts realizing it's so much easier to build a habit. Because, yeah, she even said, she was just doing that for like maybe weeks of just downward dog and then get call done. But then after a while, because you start to build up momentum, because you're actually starting to do it, you are doing the thing. It's like, well, I'm down there, I might as well do whatever the rest of the thing is that they do in yoga. And it's a similar thing for me here, where I'm committing to code every single day. Ideally 18 minutes. and that's stemming from the whole 100 hours thing. So it's sort of a round thing over the year. I'm spending 100 hours working on coding every single for the year, and so it evens out when some days it's been 40, some days it's been 2 minutes, and it also even out. But for me, the tiny step was I'm going to sit behind this computer or on my phone. I'm going to code every single day, and in doing that, like, we're almost 100 days in, and we're still going, and I'm getting so much more confident with coding, like reading code, writing code. It's so much more confident. But yeah, keep showing up, man. Keep showing up. Sign up for something, commit to something, break it down to the smallest possible thing you can do, and just commit to that. All right.